Let's be honest. Everyone's talking about AI, but most people have no idea how to make money with it. They see the hype, they see ChatGPT on every feed, but they're missing the real opportunity, the hidden tools that are creating new online millionaires right now. In 2025, the gold rush isn't crypto or NFTs, it's AI. And those who know how to use it are building businesses, automations, and income streams faster than ever before. So today, I'm going to show you 10 AI tools that can actually make you rich, not by magic, but by giving you leverage, because money follows leverage, and AI is leverage. All 10 tools are linked below with free trials through my affiliate links, so you can start testing them today. Ready? Let's go. Tool 1. ChatGPT, the ultimate money machine. Let's start with the obvious. ChatGPT, but not just for chatting. Most people use it wrong. They ask basic questions and then complain that it's not smart enough. Here's what you should do. Use it to create assets, not answers. You can build entire ebooks, courses, ad copy, or even full client strategies. For example, prompt it like, write a 7-day email sequence to sell a $49 AI course. Make it persuasive and benefit-driven. Now you've got a full marketing funnel you can sell or use, or tell it, create 50 viral video ideas for a faceless tech YouTube channel. Boom, instant content plan. ChatGPT Plus even lets you connect to the web, analyze data, and export directly into Google Sheets. That's a business tool, not a chatbot. Free trial linked below through my affiliate link. Tool 2, Copy.ai, the sales generator. If ChatGPT writes ideas, Copy.ai writes cash. This tool specializes in marketing, headlines, Facebook ads, emails, and product descriptions. Say you're running an Etsy shop or promoting an affiliate product. You can feed Copy.ai a few bullet points and it'll give you 10 polished variations of ad copy. Pick the best, test, repeat. Freelancers are charging hundreds for copywriting packages that take Copy.ai 15 minutes. Pair it with Canva visuals and you've just built a mini agency from home. Affiliate link below. Try it free and watch your words start making you money. Tool 3. Durable. Build websites in 60 seconds. Imagine building websites faster than clients can pay you. With Durable, you type, a modern website for a digital marketing agency in Berlin, and it instantly generates the full site, text, layout, and images. Now you can sell 24-hour website packages for $250 to $500 each. Even better, Durable includes forms and analytics, so your client gets a live dashboard. Film yourself creating one on TikTok with the caption, "This AI built a full website in 60 seconds." That video alone can bring you your next 5 clients. Affiliate link below. Test it free and see for yourself. Tool 4. OpusClip. Turn content into gold. If content is the new gold, OpusClip is your refinery. It takes any long video, podcast, YouTube upload, interview, and turns it into viral short clips automatically. It finds emotional peaks, adds subtitles, crops to vertical, and formats for TikTok or Reels. You can sell short-form content packages to creators or use it for your own channel to triple output. One long video equals 10 shorts equals 10 chances to go viral. Link below. I use OpusClip every week and it pays for itself 100 times over. Tool 5. ElevenLabs. Clone your voice. Create in any language. ElevenLabs isn't just voice generation, it's voice ownership. You can record a few lines and the AI learns your voice, emotion, tone, rhythm, everything. Then you can make that voice speak in other languages, French, Spanish, German, perfectly synced. Imagine running 3 YouTube channels in different languages, all voiced by you. You've just multiplied your audience by 10. It's also perfect for faceless videos, audiobooks, and ads. Try it free through my affiliate link. It'll blow your mind. Tool 6. Pictory, the faceless video engine. You write a script, paste it into Pictory, and boom, you get a professional video with visuals, transitions, and music. It's that simple. Pair Pictory with ElevenLabs for the voiceover and Canva for the thumbnail, and you've got a full YouTube system. One person can run a full channel. No camera, no editing, no problem. Affiliate link below. You can start with a free trial and make your first AI video today. Tool 7. Notion AI. Organize, automate, profit. Behind every successful creator is one secret: organization. Notion AI keeps your empire in order, from content calendars to affiliate tracking to sponsorship pipelines. It even writes your video descriptions and summarizes analytics automatically. You can sell Notion dashboards to freelancers or use them to manage multiple income streams. Think of it as your digital assistant, always awake, always organized. Link below to start building your system for free. Tool 8. Canva Magic Studio. Design made easy: thumbnails, banners, logos. Everything visual happens here. Canva Magic Studio uses AI to generate thumbnail backgrounds, text layouts, and brand kits instantly. You can make 5 to 10 YouTube thumbnails in 1 hour and sell them for $15 to $30 each, or build your own visual identity across every channel. Try it through my affiliate link below. You'll get access to premium templates that make your content look like $1,000,000. Tool 9. vidIQ, the YouTube growth engine. You can't grow what you don't measure. vidIQ gives you keyword research, competitor analysis, and viral video tracking. It even has an AI title generator that shows you what's trending right now. Want more clicks? vidIQ helps you find exactly what your audience wants next. Free trial link below. Must have for every creator. Tool 10. Make.com, the automation hub. Finally, Make.com, the glue that connects everything. It automates your business. When someone buys your template, it delivers it instantly. When a client fills a form, it updates your Notion. When you upload a new video, it emails your newsletter. Make.com is how you scale from one-person hustle to automated business. Free affiliate link below. And yes, you can build your first workflow in under 30 minutes. So there you have it. 10 AI tools that can actually make you rich in 2025. Not overnight, but with focus, creativity, and consistency. Use ChatGPT to write, Copy.ai to sell, Durable to build, OpusClip to grow, ElevenLabs to speak, and Notion to manage. Each tool is a small money machine, and combined, they're unstoppable. All links are in the description, with free trials through my affiliate links. And don't forget to grab my free guide, 10 AI tools that make money, for even more strategies. This is the AI revolution, and you're right on time. Let's build something amazing.